Hey guys, how you doing? I'm keeping Miss Prime, and I just got this in the mail yesterday, the Galaxy S10 Plus, and I'm gonna do an unboxing so I can show you what's in it. And I got also this case. It's a really good case. It has a kickstand, and I got it from the Samsung website, and it's really good. I highly recommend this case, man. I've been using this same case for my Galaxy S9, the rugged case, and it's really good. And finally, the buds, the Galaxy Buds, it is awesome. It's see if you can see closely there. Well, it's great, man. I love the fact that Samsung gave it to you when you buy the phone, man. You know what? Apple doesn't do that because Apple's too fucking cheap to give you free gifts when you spend money on their phones, which is bad. And that's what I love about buying Samsung phone. They give you free shit. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing an unboxing on this also, and I'm very excited, guys. Okay, guys, so this is my Galaxy S10. I'm gonna leave the buds for later. So let's open up the Galaxy S10, see what's in it. So you see, you got the phone. Take a look at the phone. The phone does come with its own screen protector. I think it's plastic though, but it's still better than nothing. You can see here. And it feels great, man. It's ceramic, by the way, it's not glass. So it's a better material in my opinion. You got all the cameras here. The regular, I think this is the wide angle lens. This is the regular, this is actually a regular one, which changes the aperture. And it looks really good. It is bigger than the Galaxy S10 9 Plus by 0.2 inches. And then one thing a lot of reviews have been saying that it's true. The power button, look at it, all the way up here. It's taller, but it's all the way up here. I think Samsung should have put the power button in the middle. It would have been great. But it is what it is, right? And then you got the Bixby button here on this side, and then the volume rockers. And then you got on the top, you got the SIM tray, and you got the speaker. SIM tray does carry an SD card and a nano SIM card. And on the bottom, you got your other speaker right here. A microphone, I'm sorry. This is a microphone, and these are speaker grills. And you got the USB Type-C and the good old headphone jack. And then you got the antenna bands all around. But it is a beautiful design, man. Beautiful design. And this is a microphone. If I didn't say it earlier, I apologize. Let's put that aside for a second. Right here you comes with the wall plug, adaptive fast charger. How many watts does it have? Let me see how many watts it provides. I don't say the wattage. Okay. Then you got your adapter, your USB-A to USB-C, which is nice. They keep putting it in the box for us, you know. And then this is definitely the cable. And then you got your what do you call this? Your AKG headphones. And then on the other side, on the top here. On top inside here, you got this manual box that's all the way on the top of the box. Let's see what's in it. Okay. Just little manuals. If you remove it and you want to use a different one, make sure it allows for all touchscreen features, including, okay. Yeah, so let's turn it on. It looks really nice, man. I'm excited for that wide angle camera so much. And look how beautiful this is. All screen. I love it. God, what a difference from the last year. And the notch, forget it. The notch, screw the notch, man. This is way better than the notch. Look at that. Let's launch. Let's see. See, comes with Spotify. Okay, that's nice. And then we got the notification area. Looks almost the same as the Galaxy S9. It's running gingerbread. I mean gingerbread. Look, gingerbread. Oh man, sometimes I'm blown away all the bullshit I say. Battery information, battery status, One UI version 11, Android 9, baseband, build, Knox, provider. Take a look at the camera. What's this? Turn on? No, hell no. I'll never do that. Okay, look. Here's the. Right now, I'm taking a picture of what I have in front of me. Right. Let's put the wide angle. See what difference it makes. Holy crap! Look at that. Holy crap. That is impressive. That is impressive. Look at that. That's normal, and this is the wide angle. Well, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and you guys have a nice day. Bye-bye.